Yes, Dave, all the water's out of our pool. As you can see, we're having to drain.
Still flowing?
Yeah, drain the water out the bottom of the pool. This is what happens when you have water left in your pool that needs to be drained in order to change the liner. All right, this is what we're presented with this morning. Gonna revitalize this old Johnny Weissmiller. Gonna blow out and a little nature preserve inside. Let's see what we can do.
I'm always asked, what do you do when it rains, Dave? Well, we do stuff like this. We take pools apart, we do what we can, and when the rain decides to leave, we put up new pools. So this is the kind of things we do.